Now boys, so far as we have studied, now I'd like to tell you the importance of this Bengali language. You see that if you will be qualified in All India service like IAS, IPS, and you will be posted in northeastern India, if you know this language, it will help you to interact with the local people. Suppose you will be qualified in Indian Foreign Service and you will be deputed as a High Commissioner in or any other official in Indian High Commission in Bangladesh. This language will help you to interact with the local people because the national language of Bangladesh is Bangla. Even if posted in Assam, its script, Assamese script has got lot of is like the Bengali script. And moreover, if you go for business, suppose you are a building contractor or road contractor and doing construction work in the border area of Bengal and your state, like Bihar or Jharkhand, it will help you to bring the labor from the nearby places. Suppose it is very difficult for you to bring the labor because from Bihar, because you have to pay more money if you bring from the local, say Bangladesh border, Bengal border, automatically you will get cheap labor. Suppose in Silli, you can bring it from the local Jhalda, Tulin, etc. And moreover, our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana Adhi, is written by a Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore, and he also wrote the national anthem for Bangladesh. So, and for you, it will help you to score maximum marks and increase your percentage and rank. So let us revise once again. You please read with me that O, A, Harshoi, Dirghoi, Harshou, Dirghou, Ri, Li, A, Oi, O, O. O, A, Harshoi, Dirghoi, Harshou, Dirghou, Ri, Li, A, Oi, O, O. Now, what is the difference? You can see that these two languages, Bangla and Hindi, has got resemblance. Like vowels, consonants, everything are same. Because these two languages have been originated from Sanskrit. But the difference is in pronunciation. In Bengali, we give more stress on O, Po, O. But in Hindi, we give more stress on A, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. But in Bengali, Ko, Kho, Go, Gho. And another difference is that the script means art of writing. Bengalis and Assamese, they have got Bengali script, and Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, this has got Devanagari script. About Sanskrit can be written in many languages. In ancient time, before the invention of Devanagari script, Hindi, Bengali, etc. Sanskrit was written in Brahmi script. Then, at present, some people use Devanagari script to write Sanskrit, and some people, especially the people in northeast India, especially in Calcutta, Tripura, they are using the Bengali script in place of Devanagari script to write Sanskrit words. So, please, I'd like to set this homework. You write down, rewrite, and learn Bengali vowels and matras. And matras are the symbols which represent vowels. And especially when we need its help while making words, when we need the appearance of vowels and consonants as well. In Hindi, I would like to tell you ka, k. So in that case, in place of writing vowel a or a, we use this one. That is this one or this. It represents a, it represents a. And others are, Harshoi is represented by this symbol, Dirghoi is represented by this symbol, Harshokar is represented by 4 symbols, which we'll come to know that while making the words. And Dirghokar is represented by these 2 symbols, Rikar is represented by these 2 symbols, Ekar is represented by this symbol, Oikar this symbol, Okar this symbol, and Aukar this symbol. Is it clear to you? I hope it is clear to you. And in our next class, we will do the consonants. So, till then, you please learn and relearn and note down. Thank you so much.